Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Coinbase Commerce tools from your business, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Coinbase Commerce tools from your business, begin by logging into your Coinbase Commerce account. Navigate to the settings section of your account. Look for the API keys or integrations tab. Identify the integration you wish to remove. Select the option to revoke or delete the corresponding API key. Confirm the action to ensure the API key is removed from your account. Next, access the platform where the Coinbase Commerce tools are integrated. This could be your website or an e-commerce platform. Log into the admin panel of that platform. Locate the section where the Coinbase Commerce integration is configured. You may find it under Payment Options or Third-Party Integrations. Select the option to remove or disable the Coinbase Commerce integration. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. Once completed, ensure that the integration is no longer listed in your payment options. To finalize, check your website or e-commerce platform for any remaining Coinbase Commerce references. Clear your browser cache to ensure the changes reflect properly. If necessary, update your terms of service or privacy policy to remove any references to Coinbase Commerce. Lastly, monitor your payment processing settings to ensure everything functions smoothly without the integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.